Very good morning, dear students. So today we are going to see poem number 3, Run. Okay? Yes. It is on page number 38. So let's start. Please, dear students, put your finger on each line and try to read after me. Okay? Yes. Run away from the city and into the sun. Out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run neath the trees. Run little races. Run little races with each little breeze. Third paragraph, run down the hillside, run up the lane. Run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away, away. Okay? So here, this is the beautiful poem. Okay? Now let's see the new words. First one is raindrops. Raindrops, drops of rain. Okay? Here we have two examples. It is lovely to watch raindrops on the window. A raindrops spat on his head. Second one, beneath, it means under something. Here we also got two examples. Okay? Rachel is sitting beneath the tree. Rachel कहाँ पे बैठी है? Tree के अंदर. Okay? Tree के नीचे. Breeze, it means a gentle wind. Okay? We are enjoying in the cool breeze. Third one, hillside. The hillside of a hill. We reached the hillside on time. Second one, beautiful flowers grew along the hillside. Meadow, a piece of grassland. First one, I saw cows grazing in the meadow. मैंने cows को कहाँ पे देखा? meadow के अंदर. Okay? खाना खाते हुए. Okay? She picked the flower in the meadow. Merry, it means cheerful. Let's eat, drink and be merry. Richard is a merry fellow. Okay? What is the meaning of merry? It means cheerful person. Okay? Yes. So dear student, here the poem talks about the happiness. Okay? Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Okay? Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Okay? जैसे कि आप जब छोटे थे तो आप कहाँ पे, गांव के जो बच्चे हैं वो कहाँ पे खेलते हैं? ऐसे कोई बड़ा सा पेड़ होता है. ओके? विलेज का जो भी है वो वहाँ पे खेलते हैं. बट इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट द सिटी स्टूडेंट्स और सिटी चिल्ड्रंस, they don't have a that much beautiful place. Okay? So away from the city and into the sun. Okay? sun मतलब कि आप सुबह में देखते हो ना सन को. ओके? बहुत सारी धूप आपको देता है. ओके? यस. सो कहाँ पे खेलो? सन के अंदर. ओके? आउट टू द कंट्री. ओके? कंट्री से बाहर. रन, रन, रन. ओके? रन इन द रेन ड्रॉप्स. ओके? कहाँ पे हम सब भागते हैं? रेन ड्रॉप्स मतलब कि बारिश के अंदर. रन नीथ द ट्री. ओके? और कहाँ पे खेलना है? जो ट्रीज़ है ना उसके नीचे. बहुत बड़े बड़े पेड़ होते हैं. फिर वहाँ पे बहुत सारे बर्ड्स होते हैं, बफेलोज होते हैं, काउस होते हैं. ओके? और बहुत ब्यूटीफुल नेचर होता है. रन लिटिल रेसेस विथ ईच लिटिल ब्रीज. ब्रीज इट मीन्स ठंडा ठंडा पवन आता है. वहाँ पे हम सब अच्छे से खेल रहे हैं. रन डाउन द हिल साइड, रन अप द लेन, रन थ्रू द मेडो, देन रन बैक. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, पहाड़ी एरिया होता है, बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स होते हैं. देन मेडो मतलब कि क्या होता है? मेडो मतलब क्या होता है बच्चों? अ ग्लास. ओके? ग्रास जो होता है उसका जो यस अ पीस ऑफ ग्रासलैंड. ओके? यहाँ पे आप सबको दिखाई दे रहा है. यस. ओके? सो हमें कहाँ भागना है, वो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस है, वहाँ पे जाके दौड़ना है, खेलना है, ओके, और इन्जॉय करना है, ओके, यस। सो देन रन बैक अगेन, ओके, फिर हमें क्या करना है, वापस भी घर आना है। रन एंड बी मैरी, ओके, जोर जोर से दौड़ो, ओके, बहुत सारी लाइफ इन्जॉय करो। मैरी इट मीन्स टू बिकम अ चीयरफुल पर्सन, ओके, टू बिकम चीयरफुल पर्सन ऑल थ्रू द डे, ओके, पूरा दिन तुम्हें हैप्पी रहना है। रन टू द कंट्री अवे अवे अवे, ओके। सो जो कंट्री के लोग होते हैं, जो कंट्री के स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, जो कंट्री के चिल्ड्रन होते हैं, उनको ये सारी फैसिलिटीज़ मिलती नहीं है। बट इफ़ यू लिव इन विलेज एरिया देन यू विल बी enjoy this all things, okay. So this poem is about the happiness, okay, to spread happiness with each and every person, okay. Now here we are going to discuss the question and okay, so the first question is, what does the poem tell us to do, okay. The poem tell us to run and to remain happy throughout the day. जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले बताया कि हमें पोएम क्या बता रही है, हमें खुश रहना है, ओके, throughout the day. Second one, write about the place where the poet wants us to run, okay. हमें वो places के नाम लिखने हैं. The poet wants us to run away from the city, into the sun, towards the country, in the raindrops, underneath the tree, and down the hillside, through the meadow. Third question, do you like to play and run about? Why? Yes, I like to play and run about. It gives me joy and the feeling of togetherness with my friends. It is also good for our health. Fourth one, running is a very good exercise. Name any 3 games that you play in which you have to run. Okay, yes, so which are the games? Cricket, football, and race. When you run fast, what do you feel is happening in your body? When I run fast, I feel my breathing has become fast and my heartbeat have increased. Okay, so running is a best exercise. 6. Some letters are missing in each word. Write EA in each verse. Okay, so first one is trees, sleep, please, bip, tease, fit, teach, and beat. Answer the question by looking at the picture on page number 43 of the textbook. For an example, what is happening in the picture 5? The girl is diving into the water. Okay. So what is Mohan practicing in picture 4? He is practicing of high jump. Yes. What are Anil and his friends pulling in picture 3? Anil and his friends are pulling a rope. Where are the boats racing in the picture 2? The boats are racing in the water. What are the boys doing in the picture 1? The boys are running a race. What are the girls doing in picture 6? They are swimming. Now make one more question for each picture. Write the question in the space below each picture. Use how many, what are, where are, is, how, why to make questions. Picture 1. How many boys are running in the race? Picture 2. How many boats are there in the picture? Question 3. Picture 3. Where are Anil and his friends pulling the rope? Picture 4. What is the number of Mohan's shirt? Picture 5. Who is looking at the girl? Picture 6. Where are the girls swimming? So here, dear students, I have completed this poem. Please kindly write down this question answer in your notebook and in your textbook also. Thank you, dear students. God bless you.